Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to delete and unpair your PS5 controller from the PlayStation. So if you are experiencing problems with the controller, go up to the top and select Settings, and then go on down to where it says Accessories. Select this. Then under General, let's go to the right and go to Bluetooth Accessories. Here you will find all your registered controllers and Bluetooth devices. And then if you have something in Bluetooth, it will be found under Accessories Found. Now we want to go ahead and select our currently connected controller, the one we're having an issue with it. Press X on it, and you will have the option to disconnect or delete. So I want to go to where it says delete right here and select this. This will deregister it from your PlayStation 5, and you can go ahead and connect it to another device now, or you can repair it. So if I select OK, I won't be able to use it. So if I press the PlayStation button to turn it on, now I won't be able to use it on my PlayStation because I have to plug it in with a USB cable. So if you do have a USB cable around, plug it into the front USB slot and connect it to your controller and press the PlayStation button, and it will be resynced up really quick. So my controller is going to be connected now. Now you do have the option to connect it wirelessly. However, you will need a second controller, so you can scroll on down to where it says Accessories Found, then press the PlayStation button and the sharing button, and this will put your controller into the Bluetooth pairing mode. And then you can use your second controller, scroll on down to the controller under Accessories Found and select it, and you should be able to pair it. But the easiest way is to simply just use a USB cable. Once it's connected via Bluetooth, unplug it and you can use it wirelessly now. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.